Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about a new lesson called water pollutants. Before we start our lesson, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Water pollutants include contamination due to domestic wastes, insecticides, herbicides, food processing waste, volatile organic compounds, heavy metals, chemical waste, and so on. There are many other things. There are two types of water pollutants. The first one is called the natural water pollutants, and the second is the artificial water pollutants. Let's start what is the natural water pollutants. It may arise from natural phenomena such as volcanic eruption, death of living things, lightning, and accompanying thunderstorms. The second type is the artificial water pollutants, which we are going to talk about it in details today. They arise from different human activities. They are classified into four types. First is the biological pollution, second is the chemical pollution, third thermal pollution, and then finally the radiant pollution. Let's start with the biological pollution. It's due to mixing of animals and human wastes with water, and the infection by many diseases and infection by many diseases such as bilharzia, typhoid, and hepatitis. So this may lead to certain diseases to humans. The chemical pollution is the discharging of factories, residues, and sewage in seas, rivers, and canals. The increase of some elements concentration causing great harm, such as eating fish which contains high concentration of lead may cause death to the brain cells. Increasing mercury concentration in drinking water may cause blindness. Arsenic increases the infection rate by liver cancer. So here we knew now what is biological pollution and chemical pollution. Let's see. So we said that this is the biological, the wastes of mixing of animal human wastes with water may cause to certain diseases, bilharzia, typhoid, and hepatitis. Chemical pollution, we said it's due to discharge of factories. This is the discharge, that what comes out of the factories, and residues, and sewage in seas. This is the sewage in seas, rivers, and canals may lead to certain disease, as we said before. Okay, they may lead to certain human diseases also. Increase in mercury may lead to blindness. Increase in lead may lead to death of brain cells. Arsenic increases the infection rate by liver cancer. This is the third type, the thermal pollution. Thermal pollution, let's talk about it in detail now. Thermal pollution. A common cause of thermal pollution is the use of water as a coolant by power plants and industrial manufacturers. When water used as a coolant is returned to the natural environment at a higher temperature, the sudden change in temperature decreases oxygen supply and affects the ecosystem composition. So this is thermal pollution. So it is the use of water as a coolant by power plants and industrial manufacturers. Okay, so what happens now? So this increase in temperature may lead to death of the marine or the fish due to separation of the dissolved oxygen from the water. So this is called thermal pollution due to the increase in temperature. Let's go to what is radiant pollution. It's a process of radioactive pollution, including mining for nuclear material, nuclear power plants, nuclear weapons and their testing, as well as medical diagnostics and treatment procedures. So this is the radiant pollution. So its causes or its origin: dumping the atomic wastes in the oceans and seas, leakage of radioactive material from nuclear reactors. It may lead to an increase in the incidence of cancer. So this radiation may lead to cancer, and also genetic mutations which occurred and lead to an imbalanced behavior of marine organisms and their biological functions. So we took now today 4 types of artificial water pollutants. These are the biological pollution, chemical pollution, thermal pollution, radiant pollution. Thermal pollution, as you know now, so this is due to an increase in temperature, okay, which may lead to death of the marine creature due to separation of the dissolved oxygen from the water, okay. And also, so change in water temperature are changes to the aquatic environment. Some species are not able to tolerate the temperature difference and die. The whole aquatic ecosystem is affected and changed. Can you see the amount of fish, the death of many fish? Radiation pollution is caused by radioactive substance which emits invisible radiation released in the environment through human activities. Sources: nuclear power plants, nuclear weapon, transportation of nuclear waste, uranium mining, disposal of nuclear waste, refining of radioactive substance, preparation of radioactive isotopes. And we said that it may lead to the increase in incidence of cancer, and may lead to mutation which occurred and may lead to an imbalance of behavior of the marine organisms and their biological functions. I hope today's lesson was beneficial to you, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos, and if you like the video, put your thumbs up, okay. And bye for now, and wait for another video. Bye for now.